Get noticed in this 2008 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for, with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.